How's everybody doing today, Keto family? Matt Troyce here, and today I'm going to show you how to make Keto Egg Custard Pies from scratch. I'm going to show you how to make these, but first, don't forget to hit that subscribe button followed by the bell so you'll be notified every time I release a new video. And also, please feel free to share this out with anybody you feel would benefit from watching this video. Friends, family, co-workers, anybody you want. You have my permission. Sharing is caring, guys, and we're all in this together. All right, egg custard pies. Let me show you how to make these right now. All right, let's start off with our custard. 4 eggs, 1 tablespoon of Lakanto powdered monkfruit sweetener, a half teaspoon of arrowroot starch, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and mix until combined. Alright, now to put this mixture onto the dough. Alright, for the dough we have 1 cup of ground walnut meal, 1/3 of a cup of coconut flour, 1 tablespoon of arrowroot starch, and 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and mix until combined. Alright, now to add the wet ingredients. 2 eggs, 1/4 cup of powdered monkfruit sweetener, and 2 tablespoons of melted butter. And mix until completely combined. We have our baking pan here, and we're going to line it with baking cups. Let's spoon the mixture into the cups. And with a wet hand, just mold the bottoms with the dough. Alright, so we're going to add a little more dough around the sides just to bring it up to the top. Alright, so let's pop these into the oven at 375 degrees for approximately 8 minutes. So you're going to take a spoon and just try to hollow out the middle of it. Alright, so now we're going to take our egg mixture and just spoon it into the middle. Let's pop these back into the oven for at least another 10 minutes. All right, egg custard pies. I can't wait to try it. Smell amazing. Get a nice bite with the crust. Take a look at that. That's really good. Tastes like a real pie. Pie crust is delicious. The filling, very nice. Man, this tastes good. I can't believe it has 3 net carbs per pie. You can't go wrong, guys. All right, ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for joining me. I hope you all be safe and be well. And don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And feel free to check out any of the 3 recipes I'll link to at the end of this video. If you enjoyed this one, I am positive you're going to enjoy those. Enjoy the rest of your day. Matt Droy signing out.